Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. This is a Tyranno Hauler. This casting is by Matchbox and is part of Jurassic World Rebirth set. This is very different. I don't have much experience in this kind of casting because it's based on a movie car and it's supposed to haul a dinosaur. So let's open it up and see. So here is the Tyrannosaurus and the Tyranno Hauler from the casting. I don't have much experience in dinosaurs, but this one does have moving jaw. Feels like made of rubber because tail and feet can move. And this vehicle is supposed to haul this dinosaur. We'll see that later. Let's go to the casting. So this one is obviously from the Jurassic World movies. Looks like a off-road or armored SUV. Has this hauler in the front, which moves up and down and apparently comes out. Didn't know that. It does have this exoskeleton cage on it, I think to save it from dinosaurs, and this is also removable. So if you remove everything, you can see it looks like any armored vehicle. Actually reminds me of Humvees or Ridgevani. Those are nice too. Now on the front you do have the attachment for the hauler, which we removed. Looks like it does have headlamp and everything, but you can't really see. Windows again are just painted. It's not glass or anything, and it's like a silver paint. You can't really see anything. On the hood you do have this vent. I think it's to get more air in. You get both the mirrors on the side, which is good to have. I'm just gonna move these out the frame. Now assuming this is the driver's side, again you can't really see anything inside. It's just your typical armored vehicle. Big squarish wheel arches, a heavy door. Looks like the hood opens from here. No opening for the windows on the side too, so you can't really see anything. Big tires, big chunky tires, which I think I've seen on different Matchbox SUVs throughout the time. Going to the rear, again you can see there's tail lamp, but it's not detailed. Interestingly, it looks like a scratch mark from a dinosaur. A nice detail to have on a casting. No rear window. I mean there is window but no glass, so you can't really see anything inside. And it looks like it's like a metal bumper here. Looks exactly same from the other side. So at the top you have the slot for this cage to fit in. If you see those taps there, they fit in this. And you do have this gen. I don't know. So this cage has steps on it, and obviously some roll bars on top of it, or metal bars. And this looks like emergency lamps. So it kind of covers the back. Right there, if you can slide it. Where do the slots go? Oh, sorry, it's the other way around. So yeah, it sits there. Now, we took this off earlier, so these can go in, and once it's in, these actually have spring loaded. So if you do this and you try to catch a dinosaur, you can do this and move it. I think that's how it works. So overall, frankly I haven't seen the movie yet, so I don't have a reference point. Looks like a nice little fun casting. Obviously not anything based on a real car, but you might enjoy it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.